What's good, Foodizens? It's your girl TK and I'm back with another video. Let's make this easy, healthy, delicious, almost one-pan meal. Guys, and there you have it, an easy meal that's healthy and delicious and can be whipped up in about 30 minutes. Now I like this meal because it's easy and it can be cooked for meal prep or as a busy midweek dinner. But yeah, that's it for this video. So let me know what you think in the comments, and I hope you give this recipe a try. Until next time, take care.